and welcome to my channel. I'm Ambra and in today's lesson I'm gonna teach you how to say that you like or don't like something in Italian. There are many examples in the video and also a little bit of practice. I hope you enjoy. Let's go! This is a brief of what we are gonna cover today. First, I'll show you how to say that you like or don't like something. Then you'll see how to ask people what they enjoy. And finally, we'll do a short activity to improve your listening. Let's begin and see how to say that you like or don't like something. In Italian, we use the verb piacere in the following way. If what you like is singular, then we use the third person singular of the verb piacere. A me piace or mi piace. Whereas, in case you are talking about something in the plural, the verb will also change and becomes a me piacciono or mi piacciono. These two forms are the same, but the second one is probably the most common. A me piace, a me piacciono, mi piace, mi piacciono. The words me and mi are personal pronouns. I haven't done a lesson yet on these pronouns, but you can subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. Now let's see a couple of examples to better understand how to use this verb. In the first phrase, the apple, la mela, is singular and hence if I like it, I have to say a me piace la mela or mi piace la mela. In the second example, instead, I use the plural form of the noun mela, and so I need to change the verb as well. A me piacciono le mele, or mi piacciono le mele. If you want to review the plural in Italian, check out my lesson on this topic. I'm gonna leave you the link below. Let's move on how to say that you don't like something. It's very easy because you only need to add the word non before the verb. So in the singular it becomes a me non piace or non mi piace. And in the plural, a me non piacciono or non mi piacciono. For instance, a me non piace la mela. Non mi piace la mela. A me non piacciono le mele. Non mi piacciono le mele. As I said, these two forms are equal, but be careful not to mix them up. In fact, it's a common mistake if you say a me mi piace or a me mi piacciono. Before we go on, I want to mention that the expression mi piace, mi piacciono can be followed by a noun but also by a verb. When you refer to a noun, it can be singular or plural. So for example, mi piace la neve, mi piace la neve is singular and means I like the snow, while mi piacciono I cani, mi piacciono I cani is plural because the name dog, cane, is in the plural form. However, when you talk about an action and using a verb, you always need to say mi piace in the singular form. For instance, mi piace nuotare. Mi piace nuotare. I enjoy swimming. Note that the verb is in the infinitive form, nuotare. Now, if you like something a lot, you can add the following words: molto, tanto, or un sacco. They all mean very much. The last one, un sacco, is very popular in the spoken language and quite informal. Molto, tanto, un sacco. Here you are a couple of examples. Mi piace molto il gelato. I really like the ice cream. Mi piace tanto cantare. I enjoy singing very much. Mi piace un sacco leggere. I like reading a lot. Then if you really love something, these are a couple of options. Amo and adoro. So for instance, amo viaggiare. Amo viaggiare. I love traveling. Adoro l'Italia. Adoro l'Italia. I adore Italy. The second verb, adoro, is a bit stronger than the verb amo. To say that you don't quite like something, you can still add the words molto and tanto afterwards. For example, non mi piace molto cucinare. I don't really like to cook. Non mi piacciono tanto I gatti. I don't quite like cats. While if you don't like something at all, you can use the expressions per niente or affatto. The first one, per niente, is most common in the spoken language than the second one. Per niente, affatto. For instance, non mi piace per niente guardare la TV. Non mi piace affatto la pioggia. The first phrase is for saying that I don't enjoy watching the TV at all, while the second one is for saying that I don't like the rain whatsoever. Finally, if you hate something, you can use the following expressions. Odio or non sopporto. Odio, non sopporto. The second one is stronger and means that you can't stand something. For example, odio la matematica. Odio la matematica. I hate math. Non sopporto il caldo. Non sopporto il caldo. I can't stand when it's hot. Just a note before we carry on, when you say that you like someone, it can have different meanings. For example, if I tell you, mi piace il professore, mi piace il professore, I can mean that I like the way the teacher explains things, but it can also mean that I fancy him. Okay, we've seen different ways to say your opinion about what you like or don't like. Now let's have a look at how you can ask people if they enjoy something or not. It's the same structure that we've seen before, but we use the pronouns te and ti rather than me and mi. The intonation changes as well because it's a question. A te piace? Ti piace? A te piacciono? Ti piacciono? Let's have a look at some examples. A te piace la mela? Ti piace la mela? A te piacciono I gatti? Ti piacciono I gatti? Great, and now it's time for a little bit of practice. I'm gonna tell you a few things that I enjoy and others that I don't. Listen carefully and guess how much I like or dislike these things. Ready? Let's go! Non mi piacciono per niente I ragni. Amo il calcio. Mi piace un sacco la pizza. Non sopporto il freddo. Mi piace molto camminare. Odio la pioggia. Ok, let's check what I've just said. Non mi piacciono per niente I ragni. I don't like spiders at all. Amo il calcio. I love football. Mi piace un sacco la pizza. I enjoy the pizza very much. Odio il freddo. I hate the cold. Mi piace molto camminare. I really like walking. Non sopporto la pioggia. I can't stand the rain. And now it's your turn. Tell me something you like or don't like in the comments below. I can't wait to hear from you. And this is all for today. Make sure you let me know what you like and don't like in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and please subscribe to my channel if you're new here so we can keep in touch. See you next week. Ciao ciao!